The Qualifications Credit Framework, the QCF, aims to provide more flexible routes to gaining full qualifications and enables qualifications and progression to be achieved in small steps. Learners are able to accumulate and transfer credits. The QCF will replace the National Qualifications Framework, the NQF, and will operate in England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Feedback from stakeholders suggested the need for a framework that would be more flexible and responsive to the needs of learners and particularly employers. It's also needed to encourage progression and be more inclusive in terms of recognising learning that currently sits outside of the National Qualifications Framework. Ministers asked the regulators to test and trial the proposed new Qualifications and Credit Framework. The tests and trials involved learners across a range of settings, including colleges, workplaces and other providers. The results of the trials were used to understand whether the framework would be flexible, inclusive, easy to navigate and understand before decisions about implementation were made. Units and qualifications will not be accredited to the NQF after December 2010. After this, all vocational units and qualifications will be accredited to the QCF. It is likely that the NQF will continue to operate for some years, but at the moment it is intended that new qualifications cannot be accredited on the NQF after the 31st of December 2010, when the NQF is likely to close for vocational qualifications. In England, the LSE will start to withdraw funding for NQF qualifications from 2009, where a replacement QCF qualification is available. In some respects, the QCF is similar to the NQF. However, QCF introduces the concept of unitisation, with each unit allocated a level and a credit value. The level of the units on the QCF correspond exactly with the current NQF levels. Credit values represent the number of credits a learner will be awarded for successfully completing the unit. 1 credit is awarded for learning outcomes achievable in 10 hours of learning time. This is not the same as guided learning hours because it includes guided learning, assessment preparation time and assessment times as well as contact time. Rules of combination then state which units can be combined together to form qualifications. This is similar to current NQF qualifications. However, an increased complexity and flexibility will be possible.